Hey kids! Welcome back to Tiny Math Genius. Are you ready for a super fun math challenge? Can you solve these simple math questions in just 5 seconds? Before we start, don't forget to like and subscribe to Tiny Math Genius for more fun math quizzes. Let's begin with the easy level.
Question 1. 3 minus 1 equals what? The answer is 2. Perfect start. Question 2. What is 0 minus 0? That's 0. 0 minus 0, still 0. Question 3. 3 minus 3, go. It's 0. Same number, always 0. Question 4. Can you solve 4 minus 0? The total is 4. 0 takes nothing away. Question 5. Think fast. 7 minus 5, what's the answer? You get 2. Boom. Question 6. 6 minus 0, what do you get? The sum is 6. 0 changes nothing. Question 7. Add, wait, subtract. 8 minus 2, what's the total? Six is the answer. Clean. Question 8. What is 2 minus 0? That's 2. 0 strikes again. Question 9. Got it so far? Good. 7 minus 0. Go. It's 7. 0 can't touch 7. Question 10. 8 minus 0. What do you get? The answer is 8. Easy level. Done.
Excellent. Medium level. Same number tricks ahead. Stay locked in. Question 11. 8 minus 0. What's the answer? You get 8. 0 changes nothing. Same as before. Question 12. Think fast. 2 minus 0. Go. The sum is 2. 0 again. Question 13. 9 minus 4. What's the total? That's 5. Smooth. Question 14. What is 7 minus 2? The total is 5. Same answer twice in a row. Question 15. 7 minus 6. What's the answer? It's 1. Halfway through medium. Incredible. Question 16. Got it? Stay sharp. 4 minus 1. Go. Three is the answer. Spot on. Question 17. 0 minus 0. What do you get? You get 0. 0 minus 0, always 0. Question 18. What is 5 minus 5? That's 0. Same number, 0 again. Question 19. Almost there. 4 minus 4. What's the total? The sum is 0. Third 0 in this set, sneaky. Question 20. Think fast. 1 minus 0. Go. The answer is 1. 0 can't touch it. Medium level, crushed.
Final level, trickier. Same number subtractions everywhere. Stay focused. Question 21. 10 minus 9. What's the answer? It's 1. Strong, tricky start. Question 22. What is 8 minus 8? The total is 0. Same number, always 0. Question 23. Subtract 7 from 8. Go. That's 1. Sharp. Question 24. 2 minus 0. What do you get? Two is the answer. 0 changes nothing. Question 25. Think fast. 4 minus 1. What's the total? The sum is 3. Same answer as medium level. 5 more, you've got this. Question 26. 3 minus 0. What's the answer? You get 3. 0 strikes again. Excellent. Question 27. Got it? Beautiful. 1 minus 0. Go. The answer is 1. 0 can't touch it. 3 more. Question 28. What is 1 minus 1? That's 0. Same number, 0 again. Question 29. Almost there. 5 minus 0. What do you get? It's 5. 0 changes nothing. 1 more to go. Target. Final question. Give it everything. 5 minus 3. What's the answer? The answer is 2. You did it. 30 questions. Easy, medium, and tricky, all complete. You are an absolute math superstar. Star, star, star.
Great job! Subscribe to Tiny Math Genius for more fun math quizzes. See you in the next video.